Alrighty, you guys, welcome back to another episode of Robot Death Battle. We have Cozmo on the left and Loona on the right. Robots ready?
Round 1. Fight!
Cozmo's got Loona pinned. Oh no, Loona's upside down! Can Loona get up? We have to start that count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Ding, ding, ding. Cosmo's the winner. Alright, you guys ready for another round? Robots ready?
Round 2. Fight!
Looks like Loona's spinning Cosmo around in circles. Cosmo, yes! Loona's slicing Cosmo over and over again. Cosmo tip over Loona. Can he get back up? We have to start that count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Cosmo's the winner. Good job, Cosmo. Alright, well there you guys had it. If you guys enjoyed this video, be sure to go ahead and comment down below. Otherwise, we'll see you in the next video. Take care now. Bye-bye.